In fact, the clamour for Sheila Dikshit's exit is only growing by the minute. The opposition wants her out. The Congress is outright evasive. Instead of answering the charges of corruption against the Delhi Chief Minister, the party is busy trying to shoot the messenger.
And CAG also indicts the Sheila government and especially the Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit responsible for the corruption of Commonwealth Games. We are demanding the resignation of Srimati Sheila Dikshit, or the Congress party should remove her from the Chief Ministership.
My answer to the opposition tilting at the windmills is that has a CAG report been submitted, or has the Comptroller and Auditor General signed off on those leaks being authentic? I hope the CAG takes very serious note of this anomaly and actually registers an FIR to investigate as to how these leaks have taken place.
All that we've been saying has come true, and that's what you see today. So I think on these conditions, immediately Ms. Sheila Dikshit should resign from the post of Chief Minister of Delhi.
We sincerely hope that this time the report is taken to logical end. Wherever needed, FIRs are registered, cases are registered against the accused, and trial takes place in a time-bound manner. And since the charges are serious enough, if required, the Chief Minister should step down.
Right, so there you heard a whole host of political reactions that have in fact come in on this entire story. Quite obviously, the Bharatiya Janata Party has made one thing very clear, that they want to equate the case of the Delhi Chief Minister with that of the Karnataka Chief Minister. Nandita Suneja now joins us from outside the Parliament. Nandita, clearly the Bharatiya Janata Party's strategy as far as Sheila Dikshit is concerned is very, very clear. How is it supposed to pan out today in the Parliament?
Well, Sanket, today right after question hour ends in Lok Sabha, which is from 11 to 12, Shri Namo Narayan Meena, Minister of State for Finance, is going to table the CAG report into the Commonwealth Games. That's expected to happen sometime around 12 noon. And we have been hearing opposition voices against Sheila Dikshit grow in the last 48 hours ever since we got our hands on the CAG report, which indicts very seriously the Delhi Chief Minister and talks of great irregularities in giving contracts, in giving out tenders, and in implementation of development projects, in the run-up to the Commonwealth Games. So today, once the report is tabled, perhaps we can expect an uproar from the opposition, and that's also an opportunity for the Delhi Chief Minister and for the Congress really to finally make an official statement, because till now all that we've heard from her office and from the Congress is that till the report is officially put on the table in Parliament, they're not going to react to it. So today perhaps we can expect a reaction from the Delhi Chief Minister, considering that the report will be tabled in the Parliament at 12 noon.